Anytron Digital Print Pro. How can we quickly and easily create complex and diverse custom sticker sheets? With the Anytron ANY-JET II, which boasts high productivity and ease of use by connecting a digital printer and digital laser cutter in line in one unit. ANY-JET II enables more convenient inline work with AnyFlow, an integrated print-cut workflow software. AnyFlow is a workflow software for a digital inline system that can integrate and control printers and laser cutters in one software. It automatically extracts printing and cutting data and sends each data to the printer and cutter, providing perfect support for the digital inline system. In addition to color management function, it can easily insert variable data and control various kinds of custom sticker sheets jobs at once without replacing the roll. Data sent from AnyFlow is immediately printed with a high-resolution inkjet pigment printer and cut with a high-quality laser die cutter connected in line. ANY-JET II has a laminator, paper remover, slitter, and dual rewinder as well as digital printing and laser die cutting. So there is no need for additional equipment and post-processing. Since a laser cutter can cut even intricate and complex shapes, various shapes and designs of custom sticker sheets can be cut directly. Moreover, the Auto Job Changeover recognizes the cutting line automatically according to the job, so there is no need for conversion time for each job change. The Auto Job Changeover reads the QR code containing cutting data and sends it to the cutter, and the laser cutter automatically changes the cutting line for the next job. Therefore, various jobs can be continuously done without wasting time and media. And various designs of labels and stickers can be made without user intervention with just one click. The custom sticker sheets, which are made so easily, pass through a paper remover to remove unnecessary paper, and are wound into rolls through a rewinder. With Anytron ANY-JET II, which can handle even complex sticker cutting, try making various custom sticker sheets easily without outsourcing post-processing. If you have any questions about the Anytron Digital Inline System, please feel free to contact us anytime.